While we were all impacted by the COVID-19 pandemic, most of us followed the rules, the laws and the guidance to make sure that we were doing our bit to keep everybody safe. While the Conservative Party London mayoral team insulted us all by holding a jingle and mingle party at Conservative Party headquarters. What staying at home and following the rules meant was that Transport for London's income, which is heavily reliant on fares, was impacted. A funding deal was put in place between the government and Transport for London to make sure that the transport system could keep going because key workers like doctors and nurses still needed to get to work. As part of that funding deal, the Transport Minister Grant Shapps asked Sadiq Khan, the Mayor of London, to look at expanding the ultra-low emission zone to all of London. The Mayor considered and looked at this, and the evidence was compelling. What he found was that in areas like Harrow, for example, the amount of NOx in the air could reduce by 12,000 kilograms. In reality, what that means is that fewer people will develop health complications in the area, and fewer children will grow up with stunted lungs, which is something that will impact them throughout their whole life. A few Conservative councils took the Mayor to court on this decision and lost. They knew well that they had a limited chance of winning. Merton Council, on the other hand, have chosen to invest money into a localised scrappage scheme to help their residents change their vehicles. The Mayor of London has now opened up the scrappage scheme and given access to people who still have not changed their vehicles or would like to get rid of their non-compliant vehicles. While the Conservatives, on the other hand, continue to play games on the issue and hide from the fact that it was a Conservative minister in the first place that asked the Mayor of London to look at expanding the ultra-low emission zone in the first place.